Hello guys, welcome back to X Solution. Please, if you are not yet subscribed on our channel, just click on subscribe button before we proceed. In the last episode we have seen basic skills for web development. If you are not yet watched the first episode, we have provided the link in the first comment. Use it to watch the first episode to make a catch-up. Before we proceed to codes, let's first understand what HTML and CSS is and the requirements we need to start developing our simple web structure. What is HTML? HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create and design web pages. What is CSS? CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML or XML. It defines how HTML elements should be displayed on a web page, including aspects such as layout, colors, fonts, and animations. By separating content from design, CSS enables greater control over the appearance and visual styling of web pages, enhancing the user experience. Requirements we need to start developing a simple web structure for beginners. You'll need 1. Text editor. Choose a text editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. These editors offer features such as syntax highlighting and auto-completion, making coding easier. 2. Web browser. Use modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge for testing your web pages. They come with built-in developer tools that allow you to inspect elements, debug code, and see real-time changes. Now let's go to practical part. Today, we are going to use Notepad as text editor and try to make simple website structure using HTML and CSS. Now turn on your computer and we play with some codes using Notepad. Create new folder and name it any name you desire. For now we are going to name it My Website. After, open your folder. After, go to File and choose Save As, and save your file as index.html. Then go back to your folder and see if the file has already created and try to open it. As you see, our web page is full empty. Now let's try to add something on our web page. Go back to your Notepad. Before we proceed, let's first understand this. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration, doc type HTML. The HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with the HTML. The doc type greater than declaration for HTML5 version 5. The visible part of the HTML document is between body greater than and a body. In HTML, a tag is a code element that defines parts of a web page, enclosed in angle brackets like p greater than for paragraphs. Tags usually come in pairs with an opening and closing tag, but some, like im greater than, are self-closing. Tags can also include attributes that provide extra information about the element. Now go back to your index.html file in your Notepad and start writing some codes. Now go back to your browser and see if there's something changed. Now as you see, we are now able to display something on our web page. Next time we will dive deep in HTML and CSS. For today, we have looked together how to make simple web structure with HTML. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe on our channel. See you next time.